Hey friends, Alex Samia here, middle school teacher and teacher success champion at Cami. I use Cami every day to reach my exceptional students. Today, I'm going to show you how you can connect to those students without even breaking a sweat. First, let's talk about that exceptional kid who chooses to only follow along if you're working with something they care about. Cami's Add Media tool lets you search for and grab an image to keep them on track. Instead of following you, they can follow their favorite character from Fortnite. Or maybe you got that kid who could care less about what you're teaching at all. Look, I teach middle school, I get it. Cami's ability to pull in work from just about anywhere lets you engage like never before. Now with something relevant, you can step up that instruction game. Or consider that exceptional kid who loses their paperwork. I'm talking about that kid who shoves everything in their backpack and then is suddenly surprised whenever they can't find what they're looking for. Cami automatically saves that work, so they don't have to stress. Get this, Cami will even sync to Google or OneDrive so that students can keep their files safe. Now let's shine some light on those kids with exceptionalities so wonderful that you can't help but love them. Cami's going to accommodate them in ways that most traditional methods can't. I'm thinking about my students who have to lug around a projector just to see what's going on the board. Cami is online, so the students can save the hassle and just zoom in and out so they don't have to skip a beat. While I'm at it, what about those kiddos who don't seem to struggle at all when they're talking to their friends, but ask them to put those thoughts down on paper and suddenly they're lost? Cami's voice typing tool has them covered. Instead of pulling teeth to get their stories out, let them transcribe their own writing and overcome those obstacles that get in their way. Feeling bold? Try giving them a chance to record their responses. Or even record themselves to show off what they know. Even my students who don't speak at all. Cami's free hand drawing tool will let them mark, doodle, and collaborate with their peers to keep that conversation going. Look, teachers in this field are always looking for solutions, and I praise you all for that. But save the headaches. Cami's got you. I'm so glad I got to share this with you. See you real soon.